Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Move for this one. Here we are going to show you how we can make this lobster. For this you just have to make a cylindrical body and so many lines at the center that are apparent on your screen. These are some of the horizontal lines. After that you just have to make the lobster hands as apparent here. Once you are done with it, now it's time to fill it with some bright colors. Here I am using the red one, you can use any other color. Let's now try to make some small little creatures. For this you just have to make the different colorful circles with the help of the different colors, and after that with the help of the marker we are going to make the finishing. Like for the first one we are converting it into a beetle with the black spots on its body. Next we are going to convert a cute little turtle into a beautiful one. Now it's time to make a beautiful honeybee that's somewhat fluffy and fat. It looks so cute. At last but not the least we are going to make this cute little snail. This activity is very less time consuming. Let's move further and try to make this animal. For this you just have to make the two oval shapes, one small and another larger, and at in between you just have to join those circles by making the two vertical lines as apparent here. Now it's time to make some of the legs and the cute little tail. This activity is very less time consuming and it's very easy. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 6 to 7. It's now time to do the little further featuring, and for this one we are making use of these colors. Let's try to make the two bunnies that are just affectionate towards each other. First, you just have to make a heart shape. After that, you just have to make the two vertical lines. Now, you just have to make the two heads and the long ears. And now, you have to make the cute little tails. And it's time to make the detailings of the eyes and the nose as apparent here. This activity is very simple and it's very easy. It's around the cheeks and the ears, and a heart is to be filled with red color. Let's move further. For this one here we require a graph sheet, and for this graph sheet we are going to make a cute little kitty, and for this one you just have to make the circles, then the triangles, then the cute little tail, and now we are going to make the small eyes and the paws at the center. This activity is very simple and very easy. At the center we are showing you how they are holding a cute little fish in its hand. Let's move further and try to make the two little animals. For this one, you just have to trace down first the alphabet S, then two lines joining them, and after that you just have to make a B shape for both the ends, the opposite ends. It's time to make the cute little ears, and after that you just have to make the eyes as shown here. Once you're done with it, it's time to make the mouth and the cute tiny tails, and then we are going to give a tint area around the ears and the mouth area as shown here. Next, we are going to show you how we can make a dino. For this one, you may require a marker. You just have to write the alphabet B. After that, you just have to fill it completely. Now, make a tiny tail from the left side as shown here. After that, make the spikes. This is very easy and very less time consuming. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 5 to 6. You may require marker for this one. Here, we have used the orange one. You can use any other color. The choice is all yours. This is so cute. Let's move further. You just have to make the alphabet B, H, and you just have to make a curved slanting line as shown here. For the B one, we are going to convert it into a cute little dino. Once we are done with it, now it's time to work for the H one, and H is going to be convert another shape for the dino. This is also very cute. Now the slanting line that we have made, we are going to fill it with the color and we are going to convert it into this cute little tiny turtle creature. And now it's for the G one, we are going to again convert it into a big dino. Thank you for watching.